Hello and welcome to Greetingstar. I'm so glad you could join me today. So here's a look at the project that we'll be doing today. It's a card and a tag and an envelope. So what you're going to do is you're going to take one of those 12 by 12 pieces of pattern paper that come in those collections. You're going to cut it down to 8.5 by 8.5, so a square piece of paper. And then you're going to use a scoring board to score it at 3 inches and 3 5/8 inches. Rotate it, score it at 3 inches again, and rotate it and score it at 3 5/8 inches. So you'll end up with 4 folds or 4 score lines there. And then you're going to cut out those little triangles. Now I always like to cut out on the far side of the fold so that way none of that bulk is in the way when you try to fold and adhere the pieces of the envelope together, the flaps. And here I'm just using some score tape to adhere those flaps of this envelope together. And here I'm just using a corner rounder. It's an X-Acto one that I think I got at Walmart, just to round those corners there. It puts a kind of a more of a finished look on it. And I will link all of the products that I use in this video down below so that you can link on those if you'd like to purchase any of these, or if you'd like to do this project yourself. Now these are the leftover pieces of paper that came from after cutting out the original sheet for the envelope. And I'm just going to decide how I want to lay these out here on the card and then adhere them so I can have a Christmas card to mail to somebody. So I'm going to go ahead and put on some Christmas music so you can enjoy watching me make these cards and tags, and then please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you have a very wonderful Merry Christmas. Thank you so much for joining me today.